We are joined today by Nicole from Tech Remodeling, who is showing us another beautiful home renovation. Nicole, it really is amazing to see the transformation that has taken place. Explain to our viewers the process and what the homeowners were looking to accomplish with their remodel.
So these homeowners contacted us. They were looking for a complete remodel. Their family was growing, the functionality was not there for their current kitchen, and the style wasn't there. We reached out to a local company that helped us with the 8-foot addition, and we focused on the interior portion of the project, giving that homeowner that contemporary feel that they were so desiring.
Incorporating the right design features is important in any remodel, but you also collaborate with the homeowners to determine what works best with their lifestyle.
Contemporary style is what these homeowners wanted. So the dark cabinets contrast the white upper cabinets. The island is a focal point that makes this room just stand out and is stunning. But we also had to incorporate the functionality, so the larger appliances for their family, a bar area for entertainment, and just collaboratively pull it all together to fit the style of the home.
And so for all those viewers out there thinking about a home remodel, what should be their first step?
Contact Tech Remodeling. We're an interior design build firm. We work with our homeowners from the start, the conceptual design, through the selection process and completion of the project. So we're a one-stop shop for the homeowners and their project needs.
To get started on your dream space, give Tech Remodeling a call today or visit them online at designtechremodeling.com.